Hey everyone! Today I am teaching you how to make my buffalo shrimp tacos. It is always a crowd favorite and I'm really excited to teach it to you guys. It is a probably 15-minute recipe, super simple, super easy, and I think you are gonna love it. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you have any requests of recipes or if you want to see more recipes. Here we go! Okay, so the first step is to put your raw shrimp in a bowl, and I already peeled it. You can buy it peeled, but I buy it not peeled and I peel it myself. And then you're gonna put about half a cup of buffalo wing sauce, your choice. I just buy like the whatever grocery store brand I'm at. And you're just gonna soak your shrimp in the buffalo wing sauce. I had already measured this for a half a cup. And you are going to mix it. Because you really just want every shrimp to be coated in the buffalo wing sauce. All right, once it's already mixed, you're just gonna leave it in the side while you do everything else. So next, I cut up some raw purple cabbage, and I'm kind of gonna like brine it a little bit. It really gives it a special touch. So for this, I'm going to grab half a lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze half a lemon. And then I am going to add some apple cider vinegar, just a little splash, not a lot, because apple cider vinegar is really strong. So I'm just gonna add a splash of that. And then I am going to add some salt and some pepper. And then I'm just gonna mix it around a little bit and let it sit with the shrimp, or next to the shrimp. All right, I cut up some cherry tomatoes, and I'm also gonna make a yogurt sauce to go with the shrimp instead of doing sour cream, which is a lot healthier, and it's actually really tasty. You can't taste that it's yogurt. So for this, I'm going to add some Sriracha. It's really simple. You add as much as you want. I like it a little spicy. If you don't like it spicy, you add less. It's up to you. And then you're just gonna mix it. And then you're gonna add a little splash of lemon juice to that too. And that's it. So I like corn tortillas, some people like flour tortillas, they both work. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in a baking pan. I'm just gonna spread them a little bit, but not too much. And I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350. So while my oven is preheating, I'm going to do some guacamole with half an avocado. So I'll take that out. And I'm going to mash it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you just don't want it to fall off of the taco, so that's why I like just mash it a little bit. And then I just add some salt, pepper, and I also like to add some chili lime seasoning or tahini. You can buy it at Trader Joe's or Amazon or anywhere. And I just mix that around. And that's it. That's all I need for that. Then I'll put that aside, and I'm gonna put in my tortillas in the oven. And now that my shrimp has been sitting on the sauce for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it into the stove, where I'm going to put it between medium and high heat. I'm not gonna use any oil, any salt or pepper on the shrimp. It's literally just a buffalo wing sauce that I chose. And I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit. Then I'm gonna pour the shrimp and give you a couple hints on how to know when shrimp is cooked. Just make sure you're like moving them around every 30 seconds. You don't want them to overcook. shrimp can be very tricky. So basically, as soon as it gets pink, it's almost done. It's about 30 more seconds after. And you wanna make sure that it's still squishy and that it doesn't shrink too much. If it's shrunk too much, it's gonna be super chewy. Okay, so they are starting to look like they're about to be done. I'm gonna give them about 30 more seconds and then I'm just gonna turn the heat off. All right, now that I turned the shrimp heat off, I took my tortillas out and they're a little toasty. I'm gonna place them in my taco holder, which I love. Everybody should get one. Just making tacos more fun. And then I'm gonna add my yogurt sauce first, because I like spreading it equally so that every taco gets the same amount. Second, I'm gonna add my cabbage. Then I'm gonna add a couple cherry tomatoes, not a lot. I also cut these in half because they're easier to eat that way. Then I am going to add my avocado slash guacamole. I just add a little, like, teaspoon. And finally, I am going to add my shrimp. Okay, now once I added my shrimp, I go back to my seasonings. And I'm going to grab my chili lime or tajin again. And I'm just gonna put it on top. It gives it a little extra touch. You can also add some more hot sauce if you want. And that's it. All right, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you really actually make them. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for food reviews, for food requests, and just for more recipes. Bye.